Welcome back to another CHEM2303 lab experiment primer video. Water hardness can attribute to the presence of polyvalent cations in an aqueous solution. Unsoftened water can be hard on home appliances, clog plumbing, and if its total hardness concentration is high enough, can be unsafe for drinking. A simple way to determine total water hardness can be using colorimetric titrations right here in this very lab. Let's get started. Experiment 3 will provide useful information and analytical skills for future lab work, such as knowledge on buffers, pH, standardization, chelating agents, and mainly, show you how to successfully perform a colorimetric titration. Let's dive right in. Before showing up for your lab, two things should be done. First, reading up on standardization will be critical. This is where we find the concentration of the titrant we're using. In this case, our titrant is going to be EDTA. Second, all your pre-lab calculations should be completed and verified by your TA or lab coordinator. This will let you hit the ground running when you come in for your lab. In Experiment 3, many chelating agents are used. Make sure to add the correct chelating agent to the correct solution you're titrating. Not every chelating agent will complex with every metal ion you're analyzing. For example, Areochrome black tea will chelate with both calcium and magnesium, whereas Calcon will only chelate with calcium. Lastly, qualitative observations are important in this experiment. They'll indicate what's happening in the flask. The solutions you titrate will be a specific color based on the state of your polyvalent cations. If calcium and magnesium are free in solution, we should expect no color. Upon complexation with EBT or Calcon, we should see that change from blue to a wine red color. Finally, displacement of the complexing agents using EDTA will revert the color back to blue once more. Once you have all your titrant volumes collected, you're ready for your post-lab report. From your data, the molarity of EDTA can be determined, as well as the water hardness from your metal ions. Good luck, and stay curious.